This project system failover didn't work, and nobody in the organization knew why, including the vendor. Let me power you within. Hi, kia ora. I'm Celine, an IT consultant, a corporate and business intuitive, a well-being mentor, and a governance and crisis advisor. And I'm going to share a story with you on intuition. Over my career as a project manager, I have looked after challenging, complex projects in majority. And this project was the problem project for this organization. I was invited into a problem management meeting following BAU system crashes not related to the project. Since they didn't have the solution design document on file, I was asked to find it. I'm no solution architect, nor tech specialist, and operate with healthy role boundaries, but I received a nudge to read it. Looking through the infrastructure design scheme, something pointed me to a service component number. I followed my intuition to give a call to one of the tech specialists and ask him if he had heard of it. He hadn't. We agreed he should search his emails with the component number. He found that the system crash due to this component happened 10 months before and confirmed the system was restored within 20 minutes. I knew I had found the failover issue. Months before, I had retained an important clue from our service delivery manager, who shared in a meeting that servers or service lights can show green status, but a service or a component might still be broken. When that system crash happened, this was the morning that the first failover was run and failed that evening. None of the techs had connected the dots and found the cause for failed failover, including our vendor. This was not information handed over from the previous PM or on file, and I was not even with the organization back then. If I had not followed my intuition, that issue would remain, as the previous upgrade had failed given it did not replace that component. It took 2 months for the vendor to confirm this was a failover issue, as they had to go back to a previous version to check. Imagine having me scanning through documents and picking up where the problem is that nobody else has been able to. This could save you 2 months, 10 months, or even years.